I greet you all. Welcome to my film news. On this channel, I will keep you updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be updated daily. Daniel Jason is yet to make full debut for Manjanja Epitori now. He is playing for DDC, which is disappointing. How can a player leave Kaizer Chiefs development for SuperSport DStv Disc Challenge? So disappointing for him because he is at loan. He is a loan deal was for him to play. His loan deal was for him to play as the first team. Kaizer Chiefs fail again, loaning a player to a team that does not want to sell players to them. Was the worst decision ever made by management. SuperSport does not want Kaizer Chiefs succeed. They can never develop a player for Kaizer Chiefs except Sundowns. That is true. For more Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel.